This is official Arrow OS running on Android 12 for the PocoX3Pro, and I've just installed this right now, and to be honest it's pretty smooth, but there are some things I want to discuss you, and this is just the first impression, so it is not a long video, and please don't be angry with it because it takes a lot of time to make videos, and especially in exam I'm doing this, so support me if you are new. And now let's talk about the app open animations. They are not that smooth, as you guys can see. It is not very smooth, and that is very annoying. Like in the app everything works very fine, 120Hz work without a problem, but the app open animation itself is not that smooth, and sometimes it feels very laggy, and it is just not pleasing to the eye. Now let's talk about its software features. In terms of the speed and the performance and the software features, obviously it is Android 12 stock. iOS does not provide a lot of new things, but still, to be honest, it works pretty nice as expected. The performance, to be honest, in my point of view, is no problem. It is great, and yes, Google Assistant is present, Gcam is working absolutely fine, Chrome is also working very nicely, scrolling is very smooth, and we have some very new widgets which are really awesome. Let me show you the widgets it has. Go in widgets, and here you can see we have a lot of new widgets. Let me just apply one of these of Gmail. Just tap on it and boom, now you have to just drag it to your home screen and tap on primary, and look at that, you can even interact with your widgets. That looks awesome. So to be honest, in terms of the features, the customizations, and the new things which you get in Android 12 is awesome, no doubt in that. Now let's talk about its main part, that is how good the gaming performance is. And sorry for that tripod there, I just wasn't noticing it right now while recording the video, but to be honest, the gaming performance is also really awesome. Playing normal light games is not a problem at all, it's a breeze. And you know what, that there are no touch issues in this ROM. Many of you guys said that there are touch issues in the Pixel experience and the Hydrogen OS. To be honest, I found out zero touch issues in any of the ROMs I have tried, except the MIUI EU. I don't know why, so that's one thing. And this is pretty smooth, and everything works flawlessly. It is a Snapdragon 80 anyway, so it is going to work amazingly. So in terms of performance, you're not going to be disappointed, and you can see how smooth it is, and it is responding to my touch as it should, so there's no problems in terms of that as well. So for gaming, if you want to play BGMI, it is not going to run in 90 fps, it is going to run only in 60 fps, but still 60 fps is also enough because smoothness matters the most. Now let's talk about the verdict, like should I or should you install this ROM or not. First of all, this is still, it is actually official, but it is still a very early build, and face unlock is not present here. It is Android 12, that's awesome. And some of the things are very glitchy, like opening settings is very glitchy at times, app open animations are not that smooth. So to be honest, if I would have to prefer this, I won't. I just want you guys to wait for the Pixel Experience Plus official, which will have the Android 12 very soon, and that is going to be the best custom ROM ever for the PocoX3Pro. That's what I think, and that's pretty much it for today's video. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe my channel for more videos. Camera works absolutely fine, and the photo is awesome. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Peace out.